Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video we have seen the program of if else. In today's video we will see the program of else if ladder, which is also called as if else if. So here is the program which is going to find the electricity units consumed and the final amount based on some slab value. So program to input the number of units of electricity consumed in a house, and we have to calculate the final amount using else if ladder. So what we do here, we have certain slab here. So based on the slab value, we are going to calculate the final electricity bill amount. So if the units consumed is less than 30, the final amount will be calculated at the rate of the slab 1, which is rupees 3.50 per unit. If it is greater than or equal to 30 and less than 50, it is 4.25 per unit, which is slab 2. Greater than or equal to 50 and less than 100, it is rupees 5.25 per unit, which is slab 3. Then greater than or equal to 100, greater than 100, then it is 5.85 per unit, which is slab 4. So based on the slab value, let us calculate the total electricity consumed in a house. So let's get started with the program, and we are using if else if, also called as else if ladder. So here is our program. So let's start the program. We have void main. So let us see the dry run of the program, the complete program we have right now. So the dry run we will see, and then we'll see the actual execution. As soon as the compiler encounters these two variable declaration statement, it is going to allocate the memory for these two variable. So units gets 2 bytes of memory and bill amount will get 4 bytes of memory because it is of float type. So we are going to get the memory for these two variables. Then the first message that what we are going to get on the output screen is input the number of units consumed. So as soon as the user reads this message, the user has to enter the units consumed. So let us take the value into this, and we will check to which condition it is going to match and which statement is going to be executed. So let us take the value as 28. So the input value that what I have given is 28. That will be stored into the address of units. So units has the value 28 now. So here the if else if ladder gets executed. If this value suits the first condition, this immediate statement gets executed and the control will be to this printf statement. If not, it will go to the else part, and then if that condition suits, the immediate statement gets executed and then straight away control to printf. So let us see the which statement gets executed. The else if ladder, how it is going to move on, we will check. So now the value is 28. The units value is 28. Is 28 less than 30? Yes. The condition evaluated as true. So this immediate statement gets executed, and we are going to compute this units value at the rate of 3.50. Well, we have given the slab previously. Based on that slab value, the units value is less than 30. So it will be calculated at the rate of 3.50, and the total value will be stored in bill amount. So some value we are going to get here. So if it is 28, so 28 into 3.50, we are going to get something like 98.00. Then after executing this immediate statement, the remaining else if will not be executed, it will be skipped, and the control will be straight away to printf statement, and I'll be getting the message like total units consumed. Print the value of units means 28, and then bill amount equal to, that is 98. This is in the case of the value less than 30. Just check if the value is greater than 30. So let me give the value as 46. If the value is 46, what happens? Let us see. So if the value is 46, then which if condition gets executed? So it is units that what I have given is 46. Now it will check, is 46 less than 30? No. Condition not satisfied. So immediate statement will be skipped. Control to this else if. So here what happens? It is going to check with the next condition, else if condition. If it is not less than 30, means to say it is greater than 30. Right? If it is greater than 30, then check whether it is less than 50. The value in the units variable is 46. 46 is less than 30? No. Then come to this else part. So I am going to the else part now. So else part, check the condition. If units value means how much? It is 46. So this condition not satisfied means to say it is not less than 30, means it is greater than 30. Then check the else part. Else if is less than 30. That is 46 less than 50. Yes. Condition evaluated as true. Then this immediate statement gets executed. The first 29 units at the rate of 3.50 it is going to calculate. The remaining units, that is units minus 29, will be calculated at the rate of 4.25 and the control will be to printf statement. Right. So if it is greater than that, let me give the value greater than this. So let me give the next value as 93. Let me check now. Is 93 less than 30? No. It is not less, means it is greater. Then come to this else part. Is 93 less than 50? It is not less than 50 also. Again condition not satisfied. This statement will not be executed. I'll come to else. Is 93 less than 100? Yes. Condition evaluated as true. So this immediate statement gets executed. 93 is less than 100. So first 29 units at the rate of 3.50, remaining 20 units at the rate of 4.25, and the units consumed minus total 20 plus 29, 49 units will be calculated at the rate of 5.25, and the total value will be stored in bill amount, and that value will be stored here, and I am going to print that. Let me give the value more than this. I'll just say 193. Is 193 less than 30? Again no. Come to else. Is 193 less than 50? Again no. Come to else. See, else if ladder is going on now. Is 193 less than 100? Again no. Come to else part. There is no more conditions to check. I'll straight away execute it. If it is not less than 100, means it is greater than 100. Then execute this else part. First 29 units at the rate of 3.50, remaining 20 at the rate of 4.25, and the remaining total 50 units at the rate of, that is 4.25, and 5 into 5.25 plus units minus 99 totally. So 29 at the rate of 3.50 plus 20 units at the rate of 4.25 plus remaining 50 units at the rate of 5.25. So 50 plus 20 plus 29 means I have to minus how much? 99. Remaining 9 units minus 99 will be calculated at the rate of 5.85, and the final answer will be stored in bill amount, and that will be stored here in bill amount. Then as usual, that is the last else part. Straight away the control will be to printf, and I am going to print these two messages. So this is what the dry run. So hope you have understood how this ladder proceeded. So let us see the actual execution of the program now. Alt F9, Control F9. Let me give the units consumed. I'll give 28. So it is less than 30. So total amount is 98. Let me give some other value. I'll give 250. So it is greater than 100. So the value is something like total amount 1332. So hope you have understood this if-else-if ladder. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.